Skyway 4890, speed 170 to GG.
170.
Skyway 4890, contact tower 120.905, good day. Skyway 4890, contact tower 120.905, good day.
2095, 4890. That's 4890, outside GG.
Skyway 4990, LA Tower, report runway 25 right, inside caution, wake turbulence preceded by a heavy Airbus 330.
Runway inside, Skyway 4990.
Skyway 4990, cleared visual approach, runway 25 right, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Clear visual 25 right. 4890.
Air 77, November Golf, 25 left.
Air 77, Miguel, LA Tower, caution, wake turbulence heavy 747, hold in position, wind 250 at 17, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 left, 77 empty.
Chicago 5103 heavy, next to land is traffic for the parallel. Traffic to land for your runway 7 miles final, runway 25 left, line up and wait.
What's your line up and wait 25 left, Chicago 5.
Air 2623 heavy, right turn the next high speed.
Okay, right turn in Hotel 7, immediate 2623 heavy.
Departure 5103 heavy with 25018, RNAV Hyper, runway 25 left, for takeoff.
It's a takeoff, RNAV Hyper, Chicago 5103.
That's 4890, traffic on the runway, waiting to go around.
Skyway 4990, you're clear for 25 right, you're landing for 25 right. Skyway 4990, go around, maintain 2000.
2000, Skyway 4990.
Skyway 4890, turn left heading 235 now.
Heading 235, Skyway 4990.
Nippon Cargo 5103 heavy, traffic just ahead and to your left, turning southbound, climbing out of 2000 is a Embry Airport traffic in sight.
Looking at Chicago 5103.
Skyway 4990, climb, maintain 3000.
3000, Skyway 4990.
Inside, Chicago 5103 heavy.
510 everything, they're going to continue southbound away from you, maintain visual separation. Skyway 4890, turn left heading now 220.
That's 220, Skyway 4990.
Skyway 4990, maintain 3000, contact approach 124.3.
243, Skyway 4990.
Nippon 5103 heavy, contact SoCal departure 125.2.
1252, Chicago 5103.
Air 2623 heavy, cross runway 25 right, ground point 75.
Runway 25 right, 0.75, goodbye, immediate 2623 heavy.
Skyway 4890, still got a departure.